Happy March. Spring is coming. The fiery Aries is coming. It is almost time for us to put away those sweaters and jackets and boots and put on our light sweaters and get ready for summer. So, what does March have in store for us? So, when I pulled out the cards, I got Strength as my first card. And the energy of strength is telling us to use our feminine energy to heal and balance the masculine energy. This could be divine feminine and masculine energy. This could be the feminine and masculine energy within your persons. This can also be the masculine and feminine energy within your family, your environment, your workspace, your society. What I had as a focus is focus on your strength, your courage, your power of persuasion, your influence, and your compassion. When it comes to feminine and masculine energy, the one thing that I know for a fact you have to focus on is the respect. And we live in a society that purely does not respect feminine energy in our modern day society. And it's not just an American thing, it's a worldly thing, it's an international thing. Like, for example, in America, men get paid more than women. In the Arabian nations, women have to cover themselves. Even as little girls, they have to play dumb. In other words, like, it's hard for them to go to school, to learn, and to be equal to the men. So the energy of strength is telling women, especially, and men who believe in the balancing of the dualistic energies, to hone down your feminine energy so that you can help the masculine energy heal and balance itself. So many of us nowadays, we identify with androgyny, meaning that we know for a fact that there is masculine and feminine energy within us. And within that androgyny, we find ourselves either romantically, sexually, or just generally attracted to either side. Even those individuals, you have to find a way to connect with your feminine energy and use that energy, strengthen that energy so that it can help the masculine energy that for the longest has been told that it is the forefront, it is the most important energy. There is no other energy on the face of this universe. When God was thinking of energies, God only thought of it, and out of it came the female, when we all know that's backwards. So during the month of March, use this time to hone that female energy. Use this time to let the female energy know you are powerful, you are strong, you deserve the same amount of recognition, the same amount of honor, the same amount of respect as your counterpart, the masculine energy. Do not let this energy overshadow you sexually. Do not let this energy overshadow you intellectually. Do not let this energy forthright overshadow you physically. And physically does not always mean 3D physically. Sometimes it's energetically. When we're trying to balance ourselves, there's this moment where either the masculine energy gets very aggressive or it gets very jealous because it's so used to being the center of attention. Now, you as a female or you as a male that's trying to hone in your creative energy, your intuitive energy, that's your feminine energy. And then your masculine side, your analytical side, your left brain side is feeling some type of way. It creates a frustration within the female energy, but it also creates trouble within your overall energetic body. So use this time, possibly go sit by the beach. Go sit by the shoreline of the ocean. Sit with the ocean, because that is honestly the biggest form of feminine energy that we have on this planet is the seas of the planet, the oceans. Go sit by the ocean. Listen to the roaring of the ocean. Let the waves touch your toes. Because if you pay attention to the ocean, she always comes in such a is it okay to touch you type of way. That's if you're connected to the earth. If you're connected to the energy of the earth, you know for a fact that the energy of the ocean is a feminine energy, and she always kind of touches you gently. Is it okay to touch you? Because we come to the beach with so much drama, so much chaos, and then we bathe in the ocean and we leave all that crap in the water, and then we come out, we dry ourselves, and we move on. We can't do that this time. We can't use feminine energy as an energy, as a toilet or a shower. It's somewhere where I go to cleanse myself. It's not. It is where rebirthing takes place. It is where new energy is formed. And feminine energy cannot form itself if masculine energy is overshadowing it with its negativity. So take this moment, heal yourself, but also focus on healing not just your own masculine energy, but the masculine energy around you. It could be your family member, your siblings, your offsprings, your partner, your business partner, your co-workers. Focus on when you walk through somewhere, your energy is balanced. And I don't mean balance in a way where you're giving your energy away. No, balance in a way where regardless of what you're going through, you know who you are. You can stand firm in who you are. And you don't need anyone outside of you to tell you who you are. That is the message for the strength energy. Alongside that, we have the Page of Wands. Now, wands are air energy, and the strength is a major arcana, so it's overall energy. Wands are air energy, which deals with Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. That's the energy for wands. Now, what it's saying is use your inner power to build even on the driest of environments. Use inspiration, new ideas, discoveries. Use your limitless potential and your free spirit. So if you can see, these two cards are working with each other. They're kind of speaking to each other and hoping that humanity will hear them. On one side, we're being asked to heal not just ourselves, but those around us. But we're also being given the resources of our inner power. And it's warning us, you might go into the driest land. What is the driest land? The driest land would be spaces where people only believe in one ideology. Like if you're, like you see, here's a brief moment and I'm gonna end my speaking part. When the non-binary people first started emerging, a lot of people were like, oh my God, we just let the, no offense to anyone, we just let the gays have rights. And now this new generation are non-binary. Those are some dry lands. Those are some restricted, closed off, just land. That's what we're being told coming into the spring of 2023. That's what spring is telling us. We are about to go into some dry lands, and it's up to us to heal ourselves, do our personal work, heal ourselves, so that when we do enter those lands, one, we're not trying to convince anyone of anything. Two, we will have done all the work to heal ourselves. And three, our healing energy will be enough to touch, just like the ocean touches gently at your toes. Our healing energy will be enough to touch an individual, to look at themselves, to start doing the work that they need to do on themselves. That is the energy for March. It was hard getting here. I had to do a lot of soul searching to figure out what is this energy trying to tell me. And it's quite simple. We are on a path of healing, but with healing comes a lot of destruction and chaos. So use your balanced energy, use your healed energy to hone yourself and ground yourself so that your energy can now help another. Just like when we go to the beach, we can go to the beach under the most frustrated of energies. We always come out of the beach, out of the ocean, out of the waters feeling renewed. But let's not allow others to do what we do when we go to the beach, which is dump all of their frustration and all of their garbage on us. We're not doing that. We're just going to be, we know we're going into dangerous territory. So we're going to go grounded and very disciplined. And we're not going to let another's crazy, chaotic energy affect who we are as a being. Happy spring, guys. I will see you in April.